Well, it's time to start the show. Welcome back, Hot Wheels collectors. It's DCS back again. So today in the short wheel series we have a classic. It's got 5 out of 10 in Rod Squad, not the same with other Hot Wheels Flame. This is a pretty old rusted car. I mean, an old car and rusted paint doesn't suit much, but yeah, it's the classic 55 Nomad, guys. Yes, this car is based on the Corvette. I don't mean the new one, I mean the old one. If you have watched my other Hot Wheel videos, you might know that, the 55 Corvette, but not completely. So don't get hyped up, Nomad owners, cause it's only at the rear. Yes, those bullet-shaped tail lamps, yeah, that's it. Around that, it's all the same. Well, yeah, there's no much difference between the Bel Air and this one, because the Bel Air has 4 doors and this one's just 2. Alright, so why don't we just unbox it, then let's take a look at it. Here we go! Wow, that was quick. Alright, now let's look at the Chevy Nomad. Alright, so first look, it's not so bad. Like, I really like the detailing, the speed shop detailing right there. It's nice, but the rusted paint I really don't appreciate, especially in the old cars. I mean, if it's a kind of a new one, I would really like it, but not in this, because this makes it too obvious. And yeah, the interior is pretty nice. Yeah, I don't like the blue tint, but it kind of suits it, I guess. Well, yeah, you have the sunroof glass, but you don't have the rear windshield. Yeah, that's not there. Okay, it misses the main details. That's the tail lamp and the headlamps. Yes, and of course its logo. Yes, it just misses all those. I really like the wheels though. Pretty classic, nice wheels. Alright, so this is how it looks at the bottom. Am I holding it right? Oh yeah, like this. Yeah, the code is FJW65 for the Chevy Nomad and the Hot Wheels. Well, there you have it, guys. That's a round look. Let's go for the info now. Here it comes. Oh, off to learn a little bit about the Chevy Nomad right here. Well, talking about the top speed, guys. The top speed is around 83 miles per hour, which is 134 kilometers per hour, which is okay, as we don't expect much from a 1935 Chevy. Going for the engine is a 4.3 liter small block V8, which yeah, it should have delivered more horsepower and power too. Well, talking about the horsepower, that is, it's 140 horsepower from a V8. Okay, that's a bit too less. Well, there you have it, guys. That's the end of the info. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for my other Hot Wheels series. Bye bye. Thanks for watching and do subscribe.